A lot of guys. Well, a new week. A new week. Just beautiful as it just always be. Okay, so we we're gonna review what we just have said the last video. Okay, and as you can see on the weekly time frame. Okay, previous week we were looking to see the market expand lower. Okay, after rebalancing monthly fair. Oh no, yeah, it's a weekly fair value of CV. Okay, so prior week we were anticipating to see the market expand lower and maybe very likely run below weekly short-term low. That low right there. Okay, okay, that low right there. So as you can see, in fact, the market expand lower. Okay, the market expand lower, but look what did it does. It doesn't run below. It doesn't. Okay, it doesn't run below this weekly short-term low. Okay, as you can see, it just respect constant correction of this short-term low. See that? After the market rebalance weekly fair value of CB, send price down, what did it does? It fell to make it fails to make a lower low and just respect the constant correction of this week. After the market, okay, rest this week, prior week, just respect the constant correction of this week. And we are having a daily time signal that the market want a potential run below short term low, but it failed to make a low low. What did it mean? So right there we have signal. Doesn't market doesn't want to run below the short term low. Okay? Right there, after this candle, respect constant crush of this week, we have a signal doesn't market doesn't want to run below the short term low. And there is high probability to see it run below above the short term high. Okay? So we can potentially see the signal that the short term send after shifting bearish fell. So we are more likely to engage this weekly short term high. And what can disqualify that idea that the market does not want to run this short term high, they want to potentially come all the way back down to engage the sell side liquidity resting below this low. Okay? Look very careful. Constant correction of prior week. Constant correction of this week. So right there we have something very clear and very simple. So right there, we do understand that after this week, okay, after this week, respect to constant crush of this week, we have a signal that the market doesn't want to run below the short term low. And the short term signal the market send after shifting bearish gonna fail. And the market gonna reverse engage the short term high. See that? So now this week we are anticipating to see the market expand the high to engage the buy side looking at over the short term high. Okay? That's gonna be our aim. Okay? And what can disqualify the idea that the market does not want to run above the short term high and want to potentially come back down to engage the sell side liquidity resting below its low that week, midpoint of this tail. Midpoint of this tail. Okay? Midpoint of this tail gonna be our iron line. Now it's gonna be the level we are looking for to hold the price not to run below this low. Because when we lose that low, that signals the market gonna continue to take out that candle low. But until the market is still respect the consequent correction of this week, we're gonna keep looking for higher prices and aim for a run above weekly short term high. That's gonna be our terminus this week. So very simple. We get the job done. So now What do? We let the probability of that idea plays out. That's simple, boy. So, until I talk to you next time, be safe. Rahman Sa.